Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect AirPods to your Garmin Vivoactive 5. First, ensure your AirPods are fully charged within their case. Then, open the case lid to place them into pairing mode. Simultaneously, confirm your Garmin Vivoactive 5 is powered on and ready to receive a new Bluetooth connection. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and quick pairing process, getting you ready to enjoy your music in just a few moments. Now, let's navigate your watch settings. From the main watch face, simply swipe down with one finger to reveal the controls menu. Next, tap the small gear icon, which represents the settings, to enter the main configuration menu. Once inside, scroll through the options until you find and select the music option. This is where we will manage all audio connections for your device, preparing for the next step. With the music settings open, you're ready to initiate the pairing. Within this menu, choose the headphones option to begin the search for new audio devices. Then, select Add New to prompt your Vivoactive 5 to actively scan for available Bluetooth headphones. Your watch will then display a list of all discoverable Bluetooth devices in the vicinity, including your AirPods, which should now be in pairing mode. Finally, to complete the connection, simply tap on your AirPods name from the list of found devices displayed on your watch screen. Your Garmin Vivoactive 5 will then establish the connection, and a confirmation message will appear, indicating successful pairing. You can now control your audio playback, including volume and track selection, directly from your watch, enjoying your favorite tunes wirelessly during your activities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.